Hey, this is Julio with Contemporary Automotive. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick video of the 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander that we have here available. Throughout the video, if you have any questions, let me know. Be more than happy to answer them for you. I'm going to start off with the rear. Going to see you got parking sensors with the rear view camera. See how much room you have in the trunk. Take a look. Come around to the front. Open up the rear door. Going to have the cloth interior. Also gonna have blind spot monitoring. Alert you when somebody's in your blind spot. Got some nice rims on the vehicle. New body style that they came out with the Outlander. Come inside. Vehicle's gonna have 24,998 miles. Turn it on. Gonna have Apple and Android CarPlay. Dual climate control, 4-wheel drive system. You got this new shifter right here. If you have any questions about that, let me know. Like I said, name is Julio. Phone number here, 603-213-5018. Thank you and have a great day.